This is why you need to take control of your time, because it's your most valuable asset. Imagine this, you have 24 hours in a day. Sounds like a lot, right? But between school, homework, sports, and maybe even a part-time job, those hours can slip away faster than you think. Ever found yourself saying, "I wish I had more time"? Well, here's the secret. Everyone has the same 24 hours. It's how you use them that counts. Let's break it down. Start by setting clear goals. Want to ace that test? Set aside specific times to study. Love playing soccer? Schedule practice sessions and stick to them. Remember, small chunks of focused time add up. Just 30 minutes a day on something you love or need to do can make a huge difference over time. It's like building a skyscraper brick by brick. And don't forget to take breaks. Your brain needs downtime to recharge. A 10-minute break can make your next study session way more productive. Here's a tip. Use a planner or an app to track your time. Write down your tasks and check them off as you go. It feels amazing to see your progress. So, the next time you're tempted to scroll through social media for hours, remember this. Time is your most valuable asset. Use it wisely and you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Make every second count. You've got this. Time is ticking, so start now.